Hi, this is the Cosori Rice Cooker. This compact design does not take up much space in your counter, but it does fit up to 10 cups of rice. This is excellent for daily meals, for yourself or family, or even when you have people over. Inside, it has a non-stick inner pod that you can remove, makes it very easy for you to clean. And the same thing with the top. You can remove it and you can clean this as well. This design has a very simple panel where you can preset your cooking options. It makes cooking nice and easy. No need to adjust temperature, no need for timing, and you don't have to sit around the stove to wait until it's done. I do love the option of the saute. This is excellent when you're going to do like rice and beans all together. It's an excellent option. You don't have to dirty any other pan. You can do it all within here. I'm going to be making white rice today and I'll show you how it comes out. Okay, so I have added my rice. I added salt and oil. And I'm going to go ahead and click right here where it says white rice. Then start, and that's it. Okay, so it also brings this rice spatula. I'm going to use this to open it up. As you can see, the rice comes out evenly cooked with a soft and fluffy texture.